What is factor income and transfer income? देखिए जी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द फैक्टर्स। ये आपके नेशनल इनकम का मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स जो सेकंड चैप्टर है उसमें थ्योरी भी आनी है, प्रैक्टिकली भी जरूरत है। तो फैक्टर्स आपके क्या हैं? 4 फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन यू आर यूजिंग इन योर बिजनेस, दैट इज लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल एंड एंटरप्राइज। एंड यू आर जनरेटिंग रेंट ऑन लैंड, you are generating wages and salaries on labor, you are generating interest on capital, and for the fourth factor is entrepreneurship, that is enterprise, you are generating profit on it. So whatever payment has been done for these factors, these are termed as factor payments or factor income. ठीक है, these will be considered while calculating national income. The second thing, third thing is this is the bilateral income, we can say bilateral payment, bilateral transaction, because two-sided transaction is there. One side factor has been provided, the other side has to pay. Yani for example we can say if households are providing you the factors and firms are paying you the factor payments. So this is the bilateral process and the examples I have cleared to you. Second element is transfer payment. Transfer payment is unilateral payment. Unilateral payment means one sided payment. There is no, हम कह सकते हैं कि there is no services has been provided or no production has been done. These are provided just like a pension. This is the one sided payment. You have not done anything but you are receiving pension. जब किया था काम तब तो सैलरी भी ली थी ना, तो ठीक है, आफ्टर 6 years whatever pension you are getting, you are not providing any kind of the service to the government department, but the government is giving you something in return in the form of pension, that is termed as transfer income. Okay, इसी तरीके से if you are getting scholarship, this is transfer income. You are getting any kind of allowance, this is transfer income. This is unilateral transfer, unilateral payments, unilateral income, and these will not be considered while calculating national income. So if any of the numerical of national income, transfer income is given, you have to do nothing with that amount. It will be given and sometimes students use that amount, but you don't have to consider.